Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add code in Notion. So first open Notion on your desktop app. So use the desktop version. It's better than the web version. So after that, click on plus here, click on create new page. Name your page test for example. And now just get back to the line and just hit slash and type in code. And select this code, click on it here. We'll be asked to add a code, whether it's HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. So for example, we'll copy this code and paste this code here. So as you see, the code is successfully copied. You can choose here JavaScript or HTML or CSS. So let's choose HTML. And that's it, guys. We successfully created and added a code in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help us a lot to post daily content on tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.